Monica Marshall, and for my math interactions project, I had the third grade. My TEK is 3.4, and it's rounding whole numbers to the tenths and the hundredths place. For my project, I created my own board game. It's called Leap Around, and the materials for my game are the homemade game board. I have self-made index cards, die and pointers for each player, and scratch paper and a pencil for the students to round the whole numbers that they select from the index cards. To play the game, each student will put their pointer at the start mark. They'll roll the die. Whatever number comes up on the die, that's the number of spaces that they can advance on the game board. So this says 1, so they go to the number 1. They pull an index card and read the instructions. The first one says round 15 to the nearest 10. So on the scratch paper, they will write the number 15. And the scratch paper is for them to solve the problem using the procedures that they're taught. The way that I was taught was to underline the place that you're rounding and circle the number that's behind it. And the 5 tells the 1 to advance, so the answer is 20. And each time that they get it correct, they get to take the next turn on the rounding. It's just to practice. So I'm going to do it again. 2. 1, 2. The second card says round 5,871 to the nearest 1,000. Underline the thousands place, circle the number behind it. The 8 tells the 5 to advance to 6,000, and it's correct. If you look closely at my game board, I have included some spaces with special directions. For example, this one says go back 2 spaces. I have a start over space and a go forward 3 spaces. So you basically can be as creative as you want with the game board, and also the game is very versatile because you can make the index cards accordingly to any concept or subject that you are teaching. And that's it.